A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Benny and this is sort of a different video because basically what I'll be doing today is talking to you about some things that are important to know about my channel. One thing in particular, but let's start with the frequently asked questions. One of them is about the fact that I haven't been uploading much lately, and there's a reason for that because basically I'm busy. I am still a student, I'm still in school, and yeah. And now that the summer break is near, there's just some stuff I need to take care of, and that is all very boring. And I am not a fan of school anymore. Definitely not. But well, I guess duty calls. Anyway, then there's this question which I get daily. Why do I not sell any Star Wars content? And there is just a very straightforward answer to that. Intellectual property is a thing. I don't own any of the Star Wars characters or ideas, and therefore I'm not allowed to sell them, any of it, which sucks. It really does suck. But I don't really have any other options and I don't want to be illegal, so therefore I sadly cannot sell any Star Wars related stuff. And giving it away for free, some of you might not understand, some of you might. That's just not an option for me. And then another question which some of you still don't understand. Why do I not make tutorials? Very easy. It's really, I don't have fun making them. Really, I hate it. I honestly hate it. There's not much else to say about that. I just really dislike making them. And I love to inspire you and show you cool stuff you can do with Photoshop, but tutorials, nah. However, there is one special thing and I'll tell you something about that right away. I'm having the idea of making an online course on my website. It will be containing 3 full-length 4-hour-long tutorials, probably depending on the complexity of what I'm doing. And basically I'll just show you literally everything I do for what I do. You'll learn stuff about shadows, highlights, just compositing in general. And also, by the way, it will include the PSDs, JPEGs and stock photos, so it's gonna be super cool. But there's one thing I do need from you, because since this will be a paid course, I need to know what you guys are willing to spend on it. So therefore I've created a poll on my community tab asking what price range would be comfortable for you, and please make sure to vote your ultimate maximum. But then also I need to know what kind of stuff I will be making in these 3 tutorials because, well, I obviously do want to make something you actually want to make. So for that you can comment on that same community poll about what you want to see, and you can base it on what I've made previously, so maybe something like one of these. That's the kind of stuff I will be making, but what specifically, that is up to you guys. So if there's one thing standing out really popular, then I might just do that. So if you'd be so kind to answer those questions on the community tab, that will be great. Then next, I recently reached 300,000 subscribers, which is nuts. That's insane. Especially when you realize that I hit 200k May 4th, which is a little over a month ago. That makes it even more insane. But so I would have loved to do something really cool for that milestone, but sadly I am still, as I said, quite busy with useless stuff. It's really useless, but you know, I have to do it because, well, it's life. However, another nice thing, this Thursday, June 18th, is my birthday. I will be turning 19, so I'm not gonna promise anything, but hopefully I can upload something fun, something different, something weird, dumb, I don't know. So yeah, that's kind of the stuff I wanted to put out there for you guys, because, well, I haven't been uploading much and, you know, just wanted to let you guys know. So please do vote and comment on the community tab poll I created, and then I hope to see you in the next video, whenever that's gonna be, hopefully soon. So yeah, see you soon.